And welcome to another episode of The Curse of the Speed River. We search for ancient artifacts. Where we don't find much, we find more than Oak Island. You look that way, and I'll look this way, okay? Bark, you can see something interesting. It's from the 1800s. He's snorting away. Come on. More nails. More nails. Cribbing spikes and stuff like that. Okay, now this one's a little bit more interesting. Triangular spike. So that's kind of cool. I thought this was a spike, a cribbing spike. But what I actually found was a 19th century 3-square or triangular hand file. Roughly made, forged or wrought iron, but very distinctive triangular shape. And this would not be done for fasteners and things like that. It's exactly 6 inches long, tapered at the end, and it was used for sharpening blades, filing tight corners. 3-square file. So you pick something up, you just think it's, this is just another nail. It's actually a tool, and it was found in the same area as the blacksmith tool I found. So part of the blacksmith's kit. And he got frustrated and dumped it all in the river and quit blacksmithing.